Point A is 203 minus 3, and point B up here is 533. I just draw it any old where I like. And the line here is R equals, start on the point here, 20 minus 3, plus lambda, and then the journey from A to B, from 2 to 5 is 3, from 0 to 3 is 3, and from minus 3 to 3 is 6. And so there's the equation of the line that we're looking for. There's other ways of doing it as well, of course. You could actually divide that all by 3. It would be the same thing. Now the length of A to B, well, we've just figured that out. So the length of A to B is going to be the square root of 3 squared add 3 squared add 6 squared. So that's 36, 45, 54, square root of 54, which could be rewritten as 3 root 6. So there's the length of the line there. And now the shortest distance from C to that line. So again, we did this in the first part here. So here's point C. Point C is 3, 1, 2. This point here, point on the line, the point on the line can be got from this equation here. It's 2 plus 3 lambda. It's just 3 lambda. And then I've got minus 3 plus 6 lambda. So the journey from C to P is equal to, from 3 to 2 is minus 1, but I've got to add the 3 lambda. From 1 to nothing is also minus 1, and I've got to add the 3 lambda. From 2 to minus 3 is minus 5, and I've got to add the 6 lambda. There's the journey from C to P. We want that to be perpendicular to the direction of the line, which is 3, 3, 6. You know what? I am going to divide by 3 to make the maths and make the numbers easier. So I'm now trying to dot those two together, and it will equal 0. So I've got minus 1 plus 3 lambda, minus 1 plus 3 lambda, minus 10 plus 12 lambda equals 0. All those lambdas there add up to 18 of them, don't they? And those numbers add up to 12. So I've got lambda is equal to 2/3. Stick the lambda equals 2/3 back into all of this, and we can find that the journey from C to P, with the 2/3 back in there into all of that, is, just thinking, hang on, 1/3 in there, that's 2 take away 1, which is 1. That's also 2 take away 1, which is 1. And that's 6 of those, which is 4. 4 take away 5 is minus 1. So there's the journey there. So the length of C to P is simply 1 squared and 1 squared and minus 1 squared square rooted. So that journey there is minus 3. Now, going all the way back to the picture at the top there, we already knew that the length from A to B was 3 root 6. We've now just discovered that the length from there to there is root 3. So this triangle can simply be found as the area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. And so what have I got there? I've got 3/2 root 18, but root 18 could be cancelled down. So I've got the answer 9 root 2/2.